Yo, what's up everybody? It's your boy Sheedskii here, man, back with another banger video. In today's video, bro, we're dropping another POV, bro. This shit's finna be dope, man, so y'all stay tuned, bro. I'm thinking about doing these a lot more, guys. Like, these POV videos, these are one of the finest things I've seen on YouTube. Like, a lot of people that have, like, you know, cars and stuff doing, they're really dope, and they're a really dope concept. And I think, like, you know, you really can go crazy with these, man. Look, people love seeing people drive cars, bro. It's just so fun. Like, cars are something, yes, it's a costly thing to get into, but they're so fun to pay attention to, bro. Like, this is my Challenger. This is my V6 SXT Plus 2017. It gets there though, bro. It's not no slow car. Definitely not. I got this. It was a used car. It had around 60,000 miles when I first got it. It runs pretty good. I'm talking about I haven't had to do anything but oil change, bro. It runs smooth, and y'all gotta hear this sound, bro. It sounds so good, bro. Oh my god. And just for it to be a V6, bro. Like, I know, like, you know, you got the car YouTubers that be like, hey man, you know, you ain't in the V8, you ain't in the V8, but it's coming, bro. You got like I always tell y'all gotta start doing this stuff at your own time, bro. Everybody has their time coming to do this, bro. You can't just hop in a V8 and you can't pay for it. You see what I'm saying? I'm working my way up. This is the journey for every man. You start off with a V6 car, and the thing is, I love these cars, and that's why I bought it. Like, yeah, I'm not trying to just be the fastest car out there. Now listen to this, bro. I had to hit that for y'all. Yeah, bro, I'm not trying to be the fastest car out there. That's not my mojo, bro. I just bought this car because it's fun, bro. It's a fun car. I love the style of Challengers, bro. It's a fun car, bro. That's why I buy cars on. Just based off me liking it. I don't buy it just because somebody else, you know, society says, oh, you the Hellcat or a Scat Pack. Well, yeah, true, the Scat Packs and the Hellcats are good, but at the same time, bro, you should only buy it when it's time, bro. You gotta wait your time, bro. Everybody's time's coming, bro. Yeah, bro, I was thinking when I start doing these videos, I'm gonna start doing like story times or something like that. You know, I think that would be pretty cool to, like, you know, tell some stories and stuff that went on in my life while I'm driving and stuff like that. So, shoot, we might well just start one today, bro. Let me tell y'all about the time I got robbed in Atlanta, bro. This is a story that I told a couple times on different channels and everything, but I haven't told on this one. So I know it's gonna be some new people that start tuning in me for the first time. So this story's gonna be very new to y'all. So I'm gonna tell y'all about the time I got robbed in Atlanta, bro. Y'all probably like, bro, Sheed, you got robbed, bro? I'm gonna say, bro, now, first disclaimer I gotta say, bro, I'm not in the streets. I never will be in the streets, nothing like that. That's not how I roll, bro. The reason I got robbed, bro, was just because I was with my homeboy in Atlanta. I go to like anime conventions sometimes. Me and my homie went to this convention called MomoCon, right? MomoCon in Atlanta. We went there, right? And then, you know, we had a good time and all that good kind of stuff. But on the way back one night, we got back, like, we tried to go to this party. Like, it was a party there. And we tried to go to it, but it was so packed, and we asked some dudes, they're like, man, I've been out there since 9:30. So it was like, okay, bet. So we end up leaving that, right? Once we left that, we went to, we came back to the, like, downtown Atlanta where the convention was. We went somewhere else to go to the party. Then we came back after, you know, people were saying, yes, you know, nobody's getting in for it. So we came back. Then there was this dude with an OTF chain on. I know it got to be fake, bro, because don't nobody have an OTF chain in downtown Atlanta. Like, let's just say, like, that's, if y'all know what OTF is, that's Lil Durk's crew. Nobody in Lil Durk's crew would have an OTF chain, that has an OTF chain on, would not be downtown Atlanta by itself asking people questions, just in general, bro. He'll be with the squad. So, yeah, basically, dude was asking me, bro. He basically said, hey, man, you know, first thing he was like, you know, can we take him to the strip club? Then he also said, you know, what was finna get into, or do you want to buy some drugs from him? We was like, nah, man, we ain't finna do that. And then, like, he kind of paid attention to where we parked that and stuff. So I feel like it could have been him possibly. But, so this is the story. We ended up, after that, I was like, bro, we would have let this man got in our car, bro, he would have robbed us. That's a fact, bro. Like, literally, that's a fact. If he would have gotten in the car, because if somebody with a chain on, grills on, say, hey, man, can y'all take me to the strip club? And he get in the back seat, bro, he's either gonna rob you right then or take you somewhere. He's gonna hop out the car and y'all gonna get robbed. Easily like that, it's gonna happen. So, you know, of course, you know, we're smart. We're not gonna do that. So we said, nah, bro, we're not doing that. Then what ended up happening was we ended up going, you know, to the convention and everything, linked up with some friends there and all that, was talking to them, had a good time. We came back home. All right, went to sleep and everything. Now, I did leave my camera in the car, so we're going to get to that point. So I left the camera in the car, right? And once I left the camera in the car, bro, all shit went left, bro. I should have never done that, bro. But I'm also glad, bro, because, like, I could have left, like, instead of leaving my camera in the car, it could have been, like, my computer. It could have been my phone, you know? So we got to be thankful for that, bro. At least we didn't leave nothing like that. At least we just left the camera. But, yeah, what happened was we ended up leaving the camera in the car. And then my homie went back to the car the next day because he had to go check. He had to go check the car and get something out of it, right? He went back to the car, bro. He said everything was just misplaced everywhere. That's how you know you got robbed, bro. If everything in your car is misplaced, bro, you got robbed, my boy. Hold on, we hitting it. Oh, listen to that sound, bro. That sound is dope. But yeah, so he checked the car, you know, everything's misplaced and all that kind of stuff. So he ended up, you know, coming back, because I was in the house playing the Switch, the Nintendo Switch, bro. I was playing some Mario Kart or some shit. He came back, and then the thing about my homeboy, he said this shit so fucking casually, bro. I don't know if he just didn't try to, like, let me know at first, let it down on me softly, but he was like, he started talking about some other stuff. He was like, yeah, man, that Mario Kart, that's fun, that's fun. He said, yeah, bro, we got robbed. And he slipped it in there at the end. I was like, what? Like, I was like, what did you just say? He said, yeah, we got robbed, bro. I said, oh, shit. Then I was like, okay, maybe I'm all right. Maybe all my shit's in the hotel. No, bro, my camera was gone, bro. I was like, damn, I left that bitch in the glove box. Let me see if that's in there. He was like, you left your camera in the car? I was like, yes, bro, I left the camera in the car, bro. So we ended up going back to the car together, and we seen that camera was gone, bro. It was gone. It was like $1,000 camera too, bro. I was mad, bro. I was heated, bro. I was like, man. Then we was talking to the security guard out there, like, you know, it was a young guy. He's probably like my age, maybe like 20, 21. He was like, bro, this Atlanta, bro. It happens, bro. Like, he just made us feel down bad, bro. Like, he made us feel like nothing we could do. He said, I was like, yeah, let's call the police. He was like, man, the police ain't gonna do nothing, bro. This happens all the time. You think the police is gonna actually look for your camera and this murders and stuff going on? I said, well, you kind of got a point, but damn, I ain't trying to hear that right now, bro. Like, come on now. Like, not at that time. Shoot, I just got robbed. He was like, you can call him, though. You can call him. You do whatever you want to do. You can call him, boy, but they ain't gonna do nothing. I was like, man, bro, you wildin', bro. So we ended up moving the car to another parking garage. This all happened in a parking garage. You would think the parking garage have cameras and shit. No, bro. No. Well, actually, the one we had the car at did. When we moved it didn't have a camera. Then the police came, right? It took the police fucking like 3 hours to come. We was like, man, forget this, bro. We ain't finna wait on no police to do this shit. He taking too long. So he ended up coming, though. He ended up coming like 3 hours. He called my homeboy's phone. Was like, hey, man, you know, we're out here at the parking garage. And we was like, damn. So we had ran over there and caught him real quick. We were going to a convention at that point. We caught him, and he was like, yeah, man, why did y'all move y'all car? You know, if it's in a crime scene, why did y'all move y'all car? I said, because the security guard said y'all wasn't gonna come. He basically said y'all was not gonna come. And he was like, man, don't listen about the security, man. It's the police. I said, all right, bro, I understand. All that good stuff. So he took a police report, and then me, you know, I have insurance on the camera, bro. You know, bro, if you like, I'm just gonna be honest, like completely honest, bro. I bought that camera at the time I was like down bad. So think about it. If you got enough money to buy the camera, bro, you think you really gonna buy if you got enough money to buy the camera, you think you're gonna buy some insurance on that bitch? Fuck no. I didn't even know the fucking serial number, bro. Because who gonna expect to lose a fucking camera, bro? Nobody expects that shit, bro. But yeah, I lost a fucking camera, bro. Shit's fucking insane, bro. That shit's gone. I'm pretty sure the dude took it to a pawn shop or some shit like that. That mug is gone, bro. And it's sad, bro, because I was actually using that to make content out of. But, you know what I realized, though? That's an excuse at the end of the day, because, bro, I can make content on my phone, bro. So that's what I'm doing. I'm filming this on my iPhone 13, bro. It's crazy, because, like, bro, people be thinking with YouTube and stuff, bro, you need the best camera. And I was telling my homeboy that other day, my other homeboy, not the one this situation happened with, but I was telling my other homeboy, like, the thing is, bro, people that start YouTube channels, they always, you know, be like, hey, man, I didn't get the best camera, the best mic. Nah, bro, start what you got, bro. Because listen, if you gain traction with what you got, then you can switch over. You're saving a lot of money in the long run, bro. Because see if you like talking in front of the camera and shit first. If you don't like talking in front of the camera, bro, this is not going to be a good thing for you to do anyway, bro. Just being completely honest. Hold on, we got to hit this turn. Hold on, we got to hit it. Hold on. Make sure the bike coming. Got it. Let's go. Let's hit it. Let's get some gas. Y'all hear that, baby? Y'all hear the baby roar, bro. Bro, I gotta do some nighttime POVs though. The nighttime POV, that's gonna hit. But yeah, it was crazy, bro. So I'm pretty sure that dude took that camera to the pawn shop. That shit's gone, bro. It's over with, bro. It's no getting that back. You gotta take that L charge to the game, bro. But listen, y'all let me know what y'all want to see next, bro. I want to do some nighttime POVs. You know, I got these lights right here and there. This shit's so dope at nighttime. I might have to shoot some nighttime POVs, some shit like that. Let me know what y'all want to see next, bro. If y'all actually like this content, bro, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. It helps out a ton. I think, like I said, I'm gonna just start doing strictly like story times or self-improvement, like so I can give y'all some like visual shit and also some audio shit so y'all can listen to. You know, if I give y'all some like, you know, some game or some sauce while I'm driving around, you know, that helps me out. By putting it out on the internet, it helps y'all out too. So I think that helps everybody out. But listen, I'm out of here, bro. Y'all be safe. Have a very blessed rest of your day. Whichever day you watch this video. If it's the weekend, bro, hope you have a good week. If it's the weekday, hope y'all enjoy y'all weekday, man. You know what I'm saying? Enjoy the time off work and stuff. So what I gotta say to y'all, bro, a little advice before I get off here, bro. Keep getting the bag, you know. Keep grinding. Don't give up, bro. That's the main thing I got for y'all, because I'm not gonna do it either. So don't give up. All right, y'all. I'm out of here. Sheedskii out. Peace.